In this video, we will see how to duplicate pages in WordPress. Let's get started. Here is my WordPress website. Let's go to the WordPress website dashboard. Go to the page and click on All Pages option. You can see my website, all pages are here. Let's add a new page. Click on Add New. Enter page title here. I will enter the sample page. Now, add some text. You can customize and add style to your text from this bar. If you want to bold text, click here to see that text is converted into bold. You can add italic style as well. Now, let's select some text. And click over here to add a link. Here enter the link website. I will go with a Google link. You can see that a link is added to the text. Here add a new block. Select the image block from here. Upload an image file. Choose an image and click on Open. The picture is successfully added. Add another block. And enter some text. My sample page is ready. Let's go over here and click on Publish. Page is published, click on the View page. You can see how sample page looks like. Let's go back. If you want to duplicate the WordPress website page, I will use the plugin. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Here, search Page Duplicate. Scroll down, here is a duplicate page plugin. Click on Install now. Activate plugin. Our plugin is successfully installed and active. Go back to Pages again. Go to the sample page. Down here, you can see a Duplicate this option. Click over here. You can see the page is duplicated. Click on the Preview page. You can see that the page is the same as the sample page. Go back. Click on Edit. You can make changes on the copied page. If you are all done, click on Publish. Page is successfully published. Click on the View page. This is how you can duplicate pages in WordPress. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.